Hi everyone, Laura here from Wayside Youth for Christ. For this next video on well-being, I want us to think of some key words. Stress, anxiety, worries. No matter how old you are, we all have different stresses, different worries, things that concern us. Sometimes those worries can be very little. Sometimes those worries can seem enormous and too big for us to handle. Now, I don't know which end of that scale you are on, whether you have just a few little worries at the minute, or whether you feel like you have so many you don't know what to do. I hope that these few activities will help you to think about those worries in a real positive way and be able to deal with them. So let's get on with our stress container activity. Okay, so let me demonstrate this for you. Here I have a container. Okay, this container is like you. I'm not saying it looks like you, but you're going to pretend that this is you. And what happens is, I have a jug here full of water, which is going to represent all of the stresses and worries that can fill us up. Now, we can't stop sometimes those stresses and worries coming. And what happens is, they start to fill us up. Now, what is going to happen very shortly? That's right, you've guessed it. When these stresses and worries become so much, we can't take it anymore, just like this cup, and it starts to overflow and spill out everywhere. That is because we are not dealing with the stresses and the worries as they come. We are letting them build up inside of us. So, what can we do about it? Well, let's try this again. So, let's see if we can get this one to work. Here we go. What we have now then is our container, the same one we had last time, but instead I have poked some holes into the bottom of the container. Now, those holes represent things that you like to do. Things that you like to do that help you to stay calm, that help you to get rid of those stresses, those anxieties, those worries that happen to come, but we have to let them out somehow. So it could be you like to watch the telly, could be like you like to play on your Xbox or your PlayStation, video games, all of those sort of things. It could be things just as simple as listening to music or playing your instrument. It could be cooking, it could be sewing, it could be talking to your friends and chatting. The list is endless. But you will all have different things that you know that you can do to help you get rid of those stress and worries. So let's see what happens this time when we fill up the container with all of our stresses and worries. So here we go. As those stresses and worries come in, we have different outlets. Now, as you can see, the water is already starting to spill out all over the black table. That is because we have different ways of releasing that stress, and I am still pouring this water. Those stresses and worries have not stopped. They are still going, but my container is not getting full, and I'm not reaching the point of overflowing because I have a way of letting out those anxieties and those worries. Right, I hope you all enjoyed that example of the stress container. And the message is very simple. Make sure that you have ways to let that stress and those worries and fears and anxieties, to let them out. As mentioned in the video, you could have some of these things. It could be that you talk to somebody, that's really important. That could be a family member, a trusted adult, a friend. Talk to somebody about how you are feeling. You could also play on video games or board games. You might like to do sporting activities. You might like to listen to music. You might like to do cooking or drawing or art. There are so many different ways that you can help yourself by doing these activities, something that you enjoy, so that you are letting go of those stresses and worries. For me as a Christian, one of the most important ways that I let out those stresses and worries is in prayer. Now, the Bible tells us that God doesn't want us to be worried or anxious about anything, but to pray to Him and give Him those worries, because He really cares for us. So for me, prayer is one of the big ways that I help to deal with the stresses and worries that I have. And for you, that might be completely different. But whatever it is, if you're sitting there and watching this video and you think, I have no idea how I can get rid of these worries that feel like a big knot inside of me, then try out some different ways. listen to music, talk to your friends, ask them what they do. How do they deal with things that worry and upset them? But whatever you do, make sure that you look after your own well-being. So I hope you enjoy this next short activity where I will be showing you how to make your own fidget toy at home. Bye for now, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!